Hello, welcome back. So today's video is just me. Antonio and I haven't been together in at least a week. I went to Atlanta with the hopes of picking up something to bring back that we could sell, but I reached out to a few sellers on Marketplace, and they did not get back to me. So I didn't leave Atlanta with anything, but I did record for a few seconds. Check that out. Hello guys, welcome back to our vlog. I look a hot mess because I am tired and I spent a lot of time driving and not enough time sleeping. But today I'm in Atlanta without Antonio. It's just me. And even though I know this is a storage channel, and I'm going to show you storage stuff that I end up getting here in Atlanta. But I also want to show you some cool finds I got out here in Atlanta. I don't like this view. Anyways, I stopped at the African market around our way. They could never. I've got a few things. One being this large black soap. Love it down bad. I got liquefied black soap. Love it down bad. My favorite, never seen this before, but they've made a liquefied shea butter with some oil infused in. And I also got some shea butter. So I don't know if you're in the Atlanta area. This is outside of Atlanta. It's actually, at this moment I forget the name of the town, but I will include it. And if you want to check this place out, I will detail their name and location. And then today, as you can see, because I have the same clothes on, today I went to the storage unit to really with the hopes of putting the bike up for sale and getting it together. But there's a few things I have to do. Well, you'll see what I did and what needs to happen. I'm gonna get the mirror from the car, bring it into the unit, put it there, and then I'm gonna put the bike together. Alright, so the task is to put these two wheels on this bike. First of all, did you hear that noise? I thought it was the mirror. Okay. Mirror is fine. I don't know what fell. Anyways, back to the bike. So, yeah, I'm gonna have to wait for Antonio or become an expert. But it's like it keeps skipping. So, first of all, this is not tight enough. I know that's the problem. That's one of the problems. Now, the question is, how does Brittany make it tighter? I don't know. But I know that there's a way. Somehow, the distance between the wheel and this needs to be more taut. I don't know how you move either of them forward or back, because it looks like this is as far back as it goes, unless you remove links from the chain. I don't know, I have to look into it, but that's one of the first problems. Second one is, look at this gap between the brake. I think, I don't know for sure, but I think that has to be fixed. And then I have to take this lock off. Oh, that's probably also a problem of how it was riding the way it was. I didn't even think of that. I gotta bring my reciprocating saw, I guess. How else do you get one of these things off? Without the key, that is. Alright, so yeah, let me go ahead and report to Antonio. But this is where we are right now. At least it rides. That it does.